Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are going to open my Kinder Beauty box for December 2022, the last of the year. Now, I do want to preface by saying this arrived earlier in the month. This arrived before Christmas. I hadn't got a chance to film it, so this did not come super late. I don't know if you watch my vlogs or not, but I did get the KND box, their new lifestyle box, but mine arrived with nearly everything missing from it, ripped open, which I believe was not their fault. I believe someone ripped it open at the Baltimore Sorting Center, which is super Baltimore. So they've sent me another one. I'm waiting on that. I will probably be showing you that in the new year. But let's go ahead and see what came in this one. Very excited about it. I am wearing a couple Medusa's makeup items today on my cheeks. I mean, it's very light. I didn't do a lot. I am wearing the Sepia Halo Glow, which I really like. I think it's gorgeous. And on my lips, I am wearing the Social, I forget what this is called, like their lip balm product. And as you can tell, it is very, very sheer. The color is so minimal, but it's also the same color as my lips, so you're not going to notice it, but it is just a nice evening out kind of shade if you're someone with the same tone lips as me. So, like that too. Very happy with those. Now let's go ahead and see what's in the box. So the first item we have here is from Flower Mill, and it's their Balm Shell Multitasking Beauty Balm. Let's see if we can get a close-up on that. Y'all know how my camera loves to not focus. Okay, we finally got it focused. Let's read about this item. So this is a $32 value, and it says a true all-in-one cleanser and makeup remover. The Balm Shell is designed to clean pores without stripping or drying out your skin, leaving your skin hydrated and glowing. Beauty tip: apply to dry face using fingertips to distribute the balm in a circular motion. Remove the balm by gently rinsing your face with warm water and a damp cloth, then rinse again with cool water. So it sounds like this is like a makeup remover cleansing balm type thing, and I'm happy to try that out. Should be interesting. And I can tell you from opening this already, this smells really good, but also the fragrance is strong in here. So I'm not sure how my eyes will respond to that heavy a fragrance, but I will certainly let you all know. Now, the next item was actually a replacement item. We were meant to get the Zion Health Cleansing Scalp Scrub, but they did email out ahead of time to let us know they were replacing that item with this item, the Aether Beauty The Big Bang Mascara, because I guess the scalp scrub just didn't arrive in time for the box to go out. And so unfortunately I don't have a description for this, but we can check it out. You know, I love getting a mascara because I will always eventually get to using it. And I do love the metallic writing on the box. That's really cute. And the metallic writing extends to the package. The package is a white iridescent, which is really cool. And the brush is sort of a standard looking brush, but a little thinner in nature. So very, very exciting. I love getting mascara. Honestly, I probably like this mascara better than I would have liked the scalp scrub, so very happy about that. The next item is a beauty sponge. So let's read about that. This is from Uve Beauty. It's the Helio Antimicrobial Blender, $19.99 value. I will say the scalp scrub was a $20 value, so I'm assuming, I mean, that's all I can really do is that the mascara is also around a $20 value. Anyway, back to this. So this is a $19.99 value designed to access those hard to reach areas. This blender boasts a slanted edge and tapered point, allowing you to make the most of those precious creams, liquids, and powders. Plus, the Helio is 99% bacteria free. I have sponges. I don't use them. I never use them. I don't know why. I just don't reach for them. I'll have to think about whether or not I end up using this or not. I just don't like the finish that a sponge leaves on my skin. For me, it makes things look cakey and obviously makeup-y. I don't know. I don't care for it. So I'm probably going to give this away. You know, yeah, I'm just committing to it. I'm going to put this in the box of items I'm collecting for a future giveaway. So someone will get this in the future. I can't say it's like a bad product or like it's something disappointing, because I know a lot of people use sponges and are going to be really psyched for that, but me personally, I just don't like them. So it is what it is. The next item is an eyeshadow from Nomad. This is their Intense eyeshadow. It's a $12 value, and it looks like Whistler Snow Lodge Bucking Great is the color, or the line, I guess. I don't know. That's what it says. And the description is, this glacial greenery has a matte pine green color and features 4 times finer pigments for an incredibly soft feel and easy application. A dash of evening primrose oil keeps your lid soft and hydrated, which is certainly helpful for those colder months. So here's the packaging. It does have like a Snow Lodge kind of vibe. Let's go ahead and get in here and check it out. Excited for the green. I can't open it. My nails are getting like to the point where they're at length where you have to relearn how to do things. It is a very tiny eyeshadow single, which I don't mind for a single, honestly. Less packaging is probably better. Let's see if I can get it open with these claws of mine. Here's the color. It is a beautiful pine green. Let me go ahead and swatch that. Oh, this is gorgeous. Now, I can't say for sure how that color is going to look on me, but that is gorgeous. And I feel like that would probably pair really well with the one that came from Medusa's makeup earlier this month. So that's really cool. I can't wait to play with that. The last item in the box is a mask from 100% Pure, which I have a bone to pick with, and I will have included that rant in one of my vlogs, but I will let you guys know this is the brief version of that after I talk about this. So this is the Does It All sheet mask, and this is a $7 value. A true time out treat for your skin. 100% Pure Does It All sheet mask is designed to soothe, moisturize, hydrate, and soften thanks to its exclusive custom formula. Now, I'm excited to use this, but I have to tell you, I'm very irritated with 100% Pure. I ordered my sister-in-law a gift from 100% Pure for Christmas on December 5th. I still, to this day, today while I'm filming is December 26th, it's the day after Christmas, have no shipping code for that. It probably hasn't even been packaged. When I talked to them earlier this week, they said they were still working on orders from the end of November, which is insane. And I have to tell you, I've gotten at least 4 email ads from them since talking to them. So why are you continuing to advertise when you can't even get your product sent out? That is making me really irritated with them. So while I want to get another of the little creamy concealer that I had last year because my under eyes have just been very dry this winter, I'm like really hesitant because I'm like, I don't know how I feel about this company and the way they're being ran right now. Like, stop sending me emails. Take marketing out of the office and go ship them to the freaking warehouse, because you clearly can't get things out on time. That's just me ranting. I know every company is having struggles of sorts ever since the pandemic have started, but I have had nowhere near as much trouble as I have with them. Like, I ordered it over 20 days ago at this point. I still don't have a tracking number. That is insane. I'll stop ranting about that now. I will use this. In general, I like the products when they're not littered with fragrance, which, you know, so a lot of them are. So I don't generally go towards the skincare, but I do like the concealer a lot. I've liked other items from them. I'm annoyed with the brand. It's the business end of it right now, so let's look at this box all together. I'll use this. I'm always happy to get a mascara. I will at least try this out, even though it's heavily fragranced. I don't know how my eyes will respond to that. Eyeshadow. Gorgeous. Very excited to try it, even though it may not work for me given the shade. The only thing I'm really not jazzed about is the sponge, which honestly, it's just going to be hit or miss whether you use a sponge or not, so I can't be mad about it. I'm going to give this box an A because it's an overall really diverse, interesting box. You've got 2 makeup items, a tool, like 2 skincare items. I think there's a lot of diversity here. There's a lot of interesting things, brands you don't always see, so I'm happy with it. I'm pretty happy with the box. I would like to know what you guys thought if you got the box. I know they've been doing 2 different boxes. I don't know what the difference was for the other box. Probably like a different mask or a different color or something. I'm not sure. But if you liked your box this month, let me know. I know some of you were thinking about signing up with the sales. Let me know if you did that. Otherwise, have a happy new year. Although I think I'll see you in another video or 2 before the new year. But I hope you all had a wonderful holiday or just a wonderful break if you don't celebrate the holidays. And I certainly am looking forward to my week off coming up. Well, starting today basically. But I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. And otherwise, I will talk to you all later. Bye!